Have you ever wondered just how crucial basic life support or BLS training is for healthcare professionals? Well, ponder no more. The significance of BLS training cannot be overstated. It equips healthcare professionals with the vital skills necessary to save lives in emergency situations. Today we delve into the intricacies of a BLS course, detailing the skills and techniques taught. The BLS course provided by Attentive Safety is expertly tailored for healthcare professionals and personnel. It is particularly beneficial for those working in various medical facilities and pre-hospital environments. It encompasses a hands-on approach to mastering critical life-saving procedures, ensuring participants are well prepared to handle emergency situations with confidence and competence. Upon successful completion of the course, participants will be awarded a BLS Provider Course completion card. This accreditation stands valid for 2 years, making it a worthy investment in your professional development. However, before embarking on this journey, it is advised to consult with your employer to ensure that this course aligns with your professional requirements. This course is firmly grounded in the latest scientific research and educational guidelines from the American Heart Association's update for CPR and emergency cardiovascular care. It stands as a testament to our commitment to providing the most contemporary and effective training possible. Throughout the duration of the course, participants will be trained to quickly identify numerous life-threatening emergencies. This includes learning to perform high-quality chest compressions, executing proper ventilations, and using an automated external defibrillator, or AED, effectively. But the BLS course is not just about imparting vital skills. It's also about instilling the confidence to apply these skills proficiently in real-world scenarios. After all, knowledge without the confidence to apply it is like a car without fuel. In conclusion, the BLS course is a comprehensive training program that equips healthcare professionals with the essential skills to provide basic life support in emergency situations. It is a critical part of the professional development of healthcare personnel, ensuring they are well prepared to save lives when it matters most. So, why wait any longer? Take the first step towards becoming a more skilled, confident, and competent healthcare professional. Sign up for the BLS course today and be prepared to make a difference tomorrow.